Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the source for this Samsung soundbar. And to do this, first you will need to properly connect it with your TV, and then here's a remote for this Samsung soundbar, and you can see the button source in the top right corner. Click on it and it will begin changing between different sources. You can see them in the middle of the display of the soundbar, and each time you click it will change to the different option. Align it with the cable that you connected it with your TV and it should start working. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.